Hello everyone! So today I'm gonna show you how to reset your Realme phone. Now in my case, I'm gonna perform a factory reset since I'm about to sell this phone. So I want to get rid of all of my accounts and data on the device. So first open the settings app, then scroll down and tap on system. It says system over here. And then select reset. Reset options. And then erase all data, factory reset. You can also perform some other resets like app preferences, Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth. But for this video, I'm going to do a factory reset. Erase all data from this account. So this is my Google account. Okay. Re-enter your PIN to continue. Erase all data. And now, the phone is already performing a factory reset. So I'm just going to leave it here and then wait for a while. Erasing. Okay, so now the phone has been reset. We have the setup screen. Okay, so I'm setting up the phone without signing in. So you can see that's a new phone. Realme UI. And yeah, so now we have a new operating system and all my data is gone. So that's what performing a factory reset does. And some of the apps over here, they're actually just bloatware. So they come with a phone. But all of my files are already erased. So let's go to the photos. As you can see, there's nothing here. Now hopefully you enjoyed watching this video. And if you did, please like and subscribe for more. And help support my channel. So, thanks for watching.